Well, when we first started doing video, that was our probably one of our hardest challenges. Like, well, we want to have great content. You don't want to produce a video that no one cares about watching and is just fluff, or that's always our biggest challenge with any piece of content. Really, is we want to make sure that it's really meaningful. Because nowadays, I mean, on everyone, content's so oversaturated. There's just so many blogs and so many videos and so many podcasts, and it's just I think that there's a big lack of like actual meaningful information out of it. So we try to, that makes it hard when you believe that to produce good content then, because you're always being super critical of what no one's going to want to watch that. No one's going to want to listen to that. So you kind of, always can ideas, but that's one of definitely the biggest challenges.
Often a great way to deal with content is you have other people on, you let them talk, like we're doing right now. There's always good kind of, tidbits that anybody, I think, has to offer, right? Anybody in business. So